Alright, just made it over to RentJDM or JDM Rentals, and I'm a little early, but yeah, I was hanging out over at Celebrity Cars and Coffee for as long as I could, and then I actually ran over to Allegiant, get some pictures and videos, you know, outside in the parking lot. You know, I'm still fighting with the sun because I'm like at the wrong angle, but anyway, I told most people I'd stop by here just to let them know like what's going on and what the place has. But yeah, I'm curious to see what some of their rentals are, and you'll put that on the vlog, so if anybody's in town, they want a right-hand drive, you know, JDM, then this is definitely the place to go. So all right, check out what's going on. Talk to you in a minute.
Is that your Lambo?
Yeah.
Nice.
Thanks. Yeah, we saw this out at Celebrity last week. Just trying to promote. It's all cool. I was just talking to them. I guess they're not doing rentals at the moment, but they're doing ride-alongs. Yeah, nice. And again, all JDM, all right-hand drive. So it's just some of the cars they got. Look familiar? That's great. Yeah, Sylvia's. I was just talking to the guy about my Z. Got to get that worked on. Look how cute these things are. You probably don't like that, me calling them cute, but yeah, I gotta watch out about the music. I almost forgot, so let's get inside real quick. Dang it. Alright, yeah, no music in here, so. Alright, well, this is their little shop, man. It's pretty nice. Got some cool stuff on the inside here. There you go. Yeah, some serious RB26 right there. And I was a like full-on Nissan guy. Well, I mean, I still am. Hey, Figgy, we'll get over there. Cool, check out that hood mechanism. Oh man, that's pretty cool. And again, right-hand drive. RB26. RB26. All that stuff that you don't see anymore. Not Lambo. HKS, that's what I got on the 350Z track car. HKS True TI. Alright, what else we got over here? That is Mazda AutoZam AZ1. That is great. I hope the photos are coming out good. Suzuki Cappuccino. And these cars are so small. R32, RB26, pretty standard. And this thing. Liberty Walk. '71 Skyline. Stuff an engine like that in there, Jesus. Wow, that's got to be fun. '73 Skyline. that. Holy. Dang. Original NSX 91. RX-7. Yeah, little figgy. There you go. Little turbo. Remember me talking about these, that everything is electric. It's got like power windows, power doors, just, you know, pretty much everything. Top still manual. Alright, cool. There's our showroom. Try to keep the music to a minimum. All right, well, there you go. There's RentJDM on Polaris, Las Vegas, open house. Come on down. I'll get this posted later today. I'll go around and get some still shots too, get those on Facebook and Instagram. So catch you on the next one. Just checking this car out. And it's Godzilla. That's great. Knocking stuff over.
Ancestor. All right, let's go to the chicken. You're looking really upset. Let's go. Okay.
Or,
Yeah, it's a dinosaur, man. He's hungry.
Yeah. Or we have him Frank the Tank.
You like that, T-Rex? We're cooking up your descendants.
Yes.
That's right. Dinosaurs are birds.
No. Your lineage is being picked up with mesquite wood. Oh, terrible. Put your head down. Shame. Oh, no. Very upset.
Watch out, he might end up on the huli.
Oh.
Yeah, like it's
Put him on the grill.
Yeah, watch out,
Put him on the grill.
That's it. No!
Ah.
No! Go to the fire a little, go to a little bit, just like, no! Hands in the air. No, just look away. Ah, no! No! Oh, little baby.
Don't eat me. Don't eat me.
How horrible. Humanity. Chickenanity.
Look at those drumsticks.
What great pictures with the
no.
stadium in the background
It's okay,
too.
T-Rex, it's okay. We're gonna eat your kids, okay?
Dinosaurs are birds.
That sucks. You know, it stinks. It stinks.
Look, Chokin's here.
Hey, pardon us, Token.
Oh no.
Hey, why
Now
you
it's-
got the shirt I got on?
Help us, Daddy Dinosaur.
Did we all do the same thing again?
Big
Oh wait,
what's
I didn't get one.
Aren't you being cooked by our own
We're gonna cook the dinosaur.
We should do that Spider-Man thing where we should point at each other.
Oh yeah. That's actually good.
That would be funny, actually, yeah.
No. A tragic day for Dino.
Yeah.
Well, it's a party now.
Dino the
Stoker's here,
dinosaur.
so all right. I'm gonna cut this video here. Probably get some
Got all your little descendants
and just
lined
hang out a little
up,
bit,
marinated.
and then I think we got horse riding or something like that
Okay,
later.
hold it.
Oh, there it is.
Here, tell us what
There
it
it is.
All right, we're out here today. RentJDM open house. Come on down. We got dino here. We got chicken. But you might know that dinosaurs, they are the ancestors of modern chickens. So this is a pretty horrific sight, actually. This is on some really messed up level of
Yeah, that's next level
Keep
right
going.
there.
Next level inter-ancestral torture. Intergenerational.
Yeah, put the dinosaur on the grill.
An intergenerational devastation.
Dinosaur on the grill to get him. It'll get more views.
Huh?
Dinosaur on the grill will get more views.
Yes. Yes.
You guys ain't putting it on
We didn't marinate Chris though, so we didn't give him salt.
No, you're gonna marinate
Marinate him.
In fact, I think Dino wants to eat some chicken.
Eat some chicken. Yeah, he's.
Descendant.
Oh, that's disgusting. That's cannibalism.
Stop, Chris. You're a sport.
Yeah.
Well, as I said, people are rolling in, so we'll get you on the next one.